Welcome to my channel. Today on my channel, I'll be teaching you how to prepare banana cake. If you want to know how to prepare banana cake, come with me and I'll show you the ingredients I'll be using today. Right here, I've got my baking powder ready. Here, I've got my brown sugar ready. Here, I've got my banana ready. Here, I've got my bowl ready. Here, I've got my flour ready. I've got 2 eggs ready. Here, I've got my vanilla ready. Here, I've got salt ready. Here, I've got my cinnamon ready. Here, I've got my sugar ready. And here, I've got my butter ready. Here, I've got my milk ready. And right here, I have got my baking pan ready. Come with me and let's get baking. First, I'm going to start by mashing the bananas together. When you want to bake banana cake, you don't have to use 3 bananas. You can use just 2. I'm using 3 because this is how I prefer mine to be baked. Next, I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. In goes my baking powder, in goes my salt, in goes my cinnamon. I'm now going to mix them together. And afterwards, I'm going to set it aside. Next will be my sugar. In goes my sugar. In goes my brown sugar. In goes my butter. And whisk. Whisk when it's fluffy. Next will be your vanilla extract. And then 1 egg. In goes 1 egg and whisk again. Whisk and afterwards add the next egg into the mix. Next to go into the mix is my dry ingredients. Guys, if you want to know the measurement I used for my banana cake, go to the description below and you'll find it there. Now it's time to start whisking. Whisk properly. And as you can see, it's come out really nice. I'm now going to add a little bit of milk. In goes my milk and whisk again. Next, I'm going to add the rest of my milk and whisk again. And as you can see, it is fluffy, it's smooth and ready. Now I'm going to add my banana. In goes my banana and whisk again. This time around, just whisk a little bit and that's it. It's ready to go. Now it's time for my mix to go into my pan and straight into the oven. Lest I forget, my oven has been preheated, just to let you know. And also, it's going to be inside the oven for 45 minutes and we'll be back to see what a banana cake looks like. Now it's been 45 minutes and banana cake is ready. As you can see, it's come out really nice and it is yummy. Now it's time to serve. Look at that. It has been plated. This delicious banana cake right here can be served with tea or juice, and trust me, it will be yummy, delicious and appetizing. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? Go straight to the right side of your phone and you will see subscribe. Press the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to share and also do not forget to like. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.